My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I worked there over a decade. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I've been on Fox, ABC. I've worked about 10,000 cases, and what I try to do is try to open the curtain between the taxpayer and IRS and see kind of what's going on and give you some 3-minute tips so you have enough information to be dangerous. Today I want to talk to you about the trust fund recovery and the form 4180. As a former revenue officer, I've taken too many 4180s, and I've set up too many trust fund penalties in my life. Like, oh my God, I just don't want to see another one, but unfortunately I have to. So anyway, that 4180 is a critical document for the assertion of the trust fund penalty. IRS, when it gathers information to set up trust fund penalties, uses that form to what they consider persons of interest. And what they do is they take a 4180, it's a personal interview form, it's about 5 or 6 pages, and they start gathering facts of the investigation. The RO will usually look at the corporate resolutions, the bank signature cards, they'll look at who signed checks, and then they're going to take that 4180, that the interview people, and they're going to ask on that form, who did this, who did that, who had the right to hire, who set policy, who signed the corporate returns, who signed the 941s, who was in control of the operation, who really ran everything. They will take that 4180 interview from 3, 4, 5, 6 people, and it all starts pointing to a certain person. So when you're taking that 4180 interview as a revenue officer, and I'm probing, at the end of the day, after I have 3 or 4, they usually point to 1, 2, or 3 people, and that's going to be verified by who signed what, who signed loans, who signed documentations. Be careful giving that 4180. Most people guess and come up with they think people who. Every time you answer a question on that 4180, it shows you have knowledge. Sometimes the very best answer to give on that 4180 is unknown. If you have a trust fund penalty and an RO is dogging you for it, you should consult with someone, know what you're getting into, because that can spin around. If enough people point to, you can be responsible for that trust fund penalty. So remember that 4180 form is a critical form for the trust fund penalty. Sorry about the stream. For the 4180 for the penalty analysis. By the way, if you like what I said, please like me, subscribe. You're welcome to ask me questions in the comment sections. I'll answer them. Most of my YouTubes come from people who want to know what's going on with IRS. I'm really happy to give that away. Please make sure you like me or leave me any comments. Thank you so much. I always appreciate